When solving any trigonometry problem, you can type it into your calculator and get an answer. However, most of the time these answers are not exact. So I'm going to show you how you can figure out exact values for trigonometry. Here we have a problem where we know the sine of A is 8 over 13, and we're asked to find the tangent of B. I'm going to start by just drawing a diagram. Here I have a triangle ABC. In order to complete my diagram with the side lengths, I have to remember my primary trigonometric ratios. Sine, cosine, and tangent can be calculated using the acronym SOHCAHTOA. So if I know that the sine of angle A is 8 over 13, I'm going to look at sine. I know that sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So I know that 8 is the opposite side and 13 is the hypotenuse. So from angle A, the opposite side is 8, the hypotenuse is 13. The question is asking me to calculate the tangent of B. So for tangent, I need to know the opposite and the adjacent. From angle B, the opposite side is over here, and I don't know how long that is, so I need to do some work to figure that out. I can use the Pythagorean theorem to figure out that length. So the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is the hypotenuse. So I'll plug in what I know. A is 8, b I don't know, and the hypotenuse is 13. So I can isolate b and punch that into my calculator. And if I go all the way, I can see that b is approximately 10.2. But remember, the question asks for an exact value. That's this one here. So I'm going to get rid of my approximate answer and just stay with my exact answer. So I can update my diagram, and now I have all three sides. I can answer the question. The tangent of angle B is equal to, well, it's opposite over adjacent, so it's the square root of 105 over 8. And that's my exact answer. I don't need to go any further because then it won't be exact. I'll use the same method to solve this problem. I set up my diagram and I'm going to use SOHCAHTOA to find out where to put my numbers. The cosine of A is 3 over 7. So the adjacent side is 3 and the hypotenuse is 7. To calculate the sine of A, I need to know opposite of A, which I'll use the Pythagorean theorem to figure out. Plug in my numbers, and then isolate for A, and then solve for my exact answer. So my unknown side is the square root of 40. So the sine of A is opposite over hypotenuse, so it's the square root of 40. That was my opposite side, and the hypotenuse is 7. So there's my exact answer for the sine of angle A.